What's going on, everybody? Cameron over at WeStock. Very excited to announce that we just launched Segmentation. I'm going to spend 2 minutes here going through the new tool, what that means for your brand. If you have any questions, please reach out to Brittany or Matt at WeStock.io. And I'm going to use Sunny, which is a great new brand that just joined WeStock. They've been crushing over the last few weeks. And segmentation has been a huge ask. Our brands have been asking for the ability to segment their audience better. And since we're really building out this proprietary data set for brands through all these different inputs, request forms, surveys, rebates, and we're building out this audience where we know where they shop, we know how they've engaged with your brand, it's very important for us to be able to segment those audiences so that they become more actionable for you as you import them to Klaviyo, as you continue to nurture them, as you deliver them another offer. We want to make sure that we can segment them down all the way down to the store level and then based on the profile of that customer. So let's dive in. So off of the audience page, I'm going to go to segments. You'll see these different pre-canned segments that we've already built out. They're just pretty impactful segments that we think every brand should have. But for this one, I'm going to create a new segment. I'm going to go to, let's say, Whole Foods, let's call it. Whole Foods segment. I'll put a description here, Whole Foods segment July. I'm going to pick the last month here. And I'm going to keep it open to all states, all cities. And then I can pick where they participated. So it could be a request form, it could be a survey, it could be a rebate. And then I can pick either rebate submission or rebate opt-ins. So this is basically every single customer who's opted in but may have not purchased. And then this is everybody who opted in and purchased. So they've submitted something through a rebate. I'm going to go to free item through the opt-ins because I want it to be as large as possible. You can see that audience updated up top here. And then I'm going to pick everyone who said they shop at Whole Foods. And then you can see I've got 581 customers. If I wanted to drill down on this even more, I could select where they purchased the product at. I could also pick gender, age range, their willingness to purchase again. Are they a previous customer? All these different things to really build out the most actionable audience based on that profile. I want to keep this one relatively broad. So I'm going to just save this and it'll populate inside of my saved segments. Off of here, I can then download that segment. I can import it to Klaviyo. I can edit it in the future, and I can also visualize it. So the nice thing here is I can see where all those customers are at, right? I can pick how it's displayed, and then I have it here as a save segment. So every time I come back to this, I can see as that segment grows and grows and grows, and then I can funnel in between my other saved segments here. So if I wanted to go to total audience, if I wanted to go to requested audience, whatever I wanted to do, I can visualize that audience, and then off of that, build out different action items. So that is segmentation in a nutshell. Always excited and always open and willing to talk more about our different features. Feel free to DM me, feel free to reach out, and happy to walk through how your brand can implement this. And again, shout out to Sunny, amazing kids products. Back to school is coming up. Make sure you go out and support them at Target, at Whole Foods. Go grab a product, check out the web app. We have some offers running for their items as well. And I'll be back probably in another week or two with another fun new feature announcement.